Have you ever considered the healing power of nature? In our modern world, we often find ourselves disconnected from the Earth's bountiful resources. But what if we could harness nature's remedies from our own backyards? Enter the Medicinal Garden Kit, a beacon of empowerment and enlightenment in the realm of wellness and holistic living. This kit is more than just a collection of seeds and soil. It's a beautifully curated selection of plants, each one holding the promise of vitality and healing, a testament to nature's boundless bounty. It embodies a synergy between us as humans and the botanical realm, a symbiotic relationship that has been nurtured since the dawn of time. This kit is not just about growing plants, it's about reclaiming our connection to the earth, to the age-old wisdom of medicinal plants. The Medicinal Garden Kit is not just a collection of seeds and soil, it is a catalyst for transformation. What treasures does the Medicinal Garden Kit hold within, you may ask? Well, my friends, it is a delightful assortment of nature's finest, a veritable oasis of potential and promise. First, the stars of the show, the seeds. Each kit contains a variety of seeds, all meticulously selected for their medicinal properties. Imagine the soothing tranquility of lavender wafting through your garden, or the vibrant burst of echinacea adding color to your life. Picture the invigorating scent of peppermint or the comforting familiarity of chamomile. Each seed carries with it a story, a legacy of healing and wellness that dates back centuries, if not millennia. But these seeds are not alone. They come accompanied by a comprehensive guide, a roadmap to your journey into the world of medicinal plants. This guide, brimming with the wisdom of generations of herbalists, provides invaluable insights into the cultivation techniques for each plant. From the optimal soil conditions to the ideal watering schedule, it leaves no stone unturned. It also delves into the therapeutic properties of each plant, offering a window into the myriad ways they can enhance your well-being. Yet the Medicinal Garden Kit is more than the sum of its parts. It transcends the physical components, offering an invitation to embark on a journey of growth and discovery. As you nurture your seeds from sprouts to full-fledged plants, you engage in a dance as old as time, a dance of life and growth, a dance that ties you to the very fabric of the earth. With each seed, you hold the potential for vitality and healing. Each plant you cultivate is a step towards self-sufficiency, a step towards reclaiming your connection with nature. The Medicinal Garden Kit is not just a product, it is a philosophy, a lifestyle, a testament to the healing power of nature. It is a beacon of hope in a world that often seems disconnected from its roots. It is a reminder that no matter how advanced we become, we are still children of the earth, forever bound to its rhythms and cycles. And within this connection lies our greatest potential for health and harmony. But what is the true beauty of the Medicinal Garden Kit, one may wonder? Beyond the seeds and the soil, beyond the tangible, the kit initiates an intangible journey, a voyage of self-discovery and reconnection with the earth. As you plant each seed, a relationship begins to form, a bond that blossoms with your garden. The act of nurturing these plants, of tending to them with care and patience, kindles a profound sense of connection with the earth and its healing energies. It's as if each seed planted, each sprout that breaks through the soil serves as a silent reminder of the intricate web of life we're a part of. As you watch your garden grow, you don't simply observe. You participate, you engage. You're not just a gardener, you're a healer, a guardian of the earth's bounty. With each whispered prayer to the sun, you become an active participant in the timeless dance of life and growth. What does the Medicinal Garden Kit offer in this modern era? In a time when health has become commodified and traditional wisdom is eroding, the Medicinal Garden Kit shines brightly. It's a beacon of hope, a testament to the enduring resilience of nature's own pharmacy. This kit is not just about cultivating plants, it's about cultivating a deeper connection with the world around us. It's about reclaiming our place as stewards of the land and guardians of our own well-being. The Medicinal Garden Kit helps us tap into an ancient lineage of healers and herbalists, reminding us that we are not isolated entities but interconnected beings in a vibrant, living ecosystem. It's an invitation to slow down, to reconnect with the rhythms of nature, to experience the profound joy and peace that comes from nurturing life. Invest in the Medicinal Garden Kit today and embark on a journey of self-discovery, wellness, and communion with nature.